What's going on, everybody? My name's Tevin. I have a 2009 Pontiac GA GT. We're gonna be trying to do some content with it wherever we can, whatever the case may be. Currently, I'm in Arizona as of right now. I'm from Illinois. I'm gonna be moving back there, I think January 31st, and then from there we're gonna be doing some content. The car gets shipped back maybe a week or two from now. So that's where there's going to be a little bit of a lapse in content, if you will. The car is a LSA 2009 Pontiac GA GT. It's LSA'd. Brembos, 5-inch intake. We'll actually just pop the hood and go over it real quick. So what we have here is a ZL1 lid. Reinforced brick, milled. I don't know why I had it milled, because I think the normal ones fit on the G8s, but we're going to be doing, so these, I don't like how they sit up there. I think they're kind of ugly, to be honest with you, so I'm going to be relocating them a little bit further down. AN lines for everything. This is a Glancer tank, stock upper, 8.66 lower. I make about 10 pounds of boost. I think it's like 10.2. Like I said, a 5-inch intake, Mighty Mouse catch can, G8 only, flex fuel kit. And then for the heat exchanger, I went with a frozen boost, but I had AN bungs welded onto it, so that way I could just do the AN lines, make it all pretty. Just recently had these powder coated. These are from a CTS-V. I bought them in Texas when I was down there. The guy's wife actually curb rashed them. Don't know which one exactly. Well, actually I do know which one, but this one right here was curb rashed pretty bad. I had it fixed along with the, well, obviously all of them. I just have beadlocks on the rear right now, so we have those. I put those on today, matter of fact. So we got those with the Forgestar D5s with a Hoosier Slick. It's a 17 by 10. Right now I'm lowered, so I have H&R PPV struts. Car looks pretty good in my opinion. Don't have any issues rubbing, but I don't have a whole lot of people in my car, if at all. So nothing too crazy. The car has GXP mufflers with 3-inch from obviously the axle back all the way up to the front. I have TSP headers. You probably won't be able to see them very well. TSP headers. This wheel, so I had one of my CTS-V caps separate, and I am waiting for a new one. It'll be here Monday, and then it'll be just like this side, where there is a Holden badge rather than CTS-V. I tried finding Pontiac ones, didn't have too much luck, but it is what it is. For interior mods, if you want to call them that, the car has Aeroforce, so I believe my bottom one will be boost. I want to say boost and oil pressure. Top one's going to be trans temp. Trying to think what else. Trans temp. Basically, it just has some PIDs that I like seeing on there. I just recently did this too. This is an Aero Pro kit with a Kenwood DMX. Yeah, 907S. Does pretty good. It's got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, whatnot. Other than that, the car, for the most part, is pretty stock, if you want to call it that, on the interior. Let me see what we're working with again. So I forgot to go over my fuel system a little bit, but the car's got fixed 1700cc injectors. I got a twin Walbro 4 setup from Adam Cooper at Ace Performance. It does pretty good. I mean, honestly, I don't see, I think the system's, and it's on an E85, E90 out here in Arizona, but Adam said it's good for about 1100 horse on E, and then I think he said 1400 on 91. And the injectors, I only see maybe 40% duty cycle with them, so they're pretty fucking low. The plans with this car, when I get back to Illinois, will be a 427, 2650 built trans, and a ZL1 rear, but we all know that comes with time, and unfortunately where I'm from, there's not too many places I can work on. I'm just gonna have a little baby garage, 2-car garage, if that, to work on it, if that, and then to store it, obviously. And I'm in the process, like I said, too, buying a house, building a garage. So it's going to be kind of a, if you will, a shit show for a little while. But nonetheless, while the car sits how it is right now, chances are I'll get the 427, the 2650, and everything basically in, besides the trans. The trans I'll send off to Adam Cooper. But everything will get done all at the same time. So while I'm basically collecting parts, we're going to take this to the drag strip, drag week, whatever the case may be, and we're going to run it. So maybe do some content, some car shows. I would like to do videos of me building it if I can. I don't see why I couldn't, but we'll give it a try and see where it goes. But yeah, that's my 2009 Pontiac GA GT. Again, my name's Tevin. You can hit me up on Instagram at TEVONSKI. It looks like Tavonsky. So yeah, you'll find me there. You can find me on Facebook. I'll be in the G8 page all the time. I mean, I don't post too much, but you'll see me every once in a while post something. My name's Tevin. You'll find me in there. And if you need anything about the LSA swap, I did all this in my garage with bare minimum hand tools. So if anyone can do it, or anyone can do it, if I can do it. So again, thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and subscribe. I say we got more content coming, and hopefully you guys can stick around. Thanks. Bye.